Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best Champagne Flutes glass elegant wedding party pick, the Pearhead Mr. and Mrs. Champagne Flute Set. Whether you're planning a wedding, looking for a thoughtful bridal shower gift, or simply shopping for elegant toasting glasses to celebrate love and style, this is a must-see. Right out of the box, you're met with a premium unboxing experience. The Pearhead Mr. and Mrs. Flute Set comes in an attractive, ready-to-gift packaging. It's sleek, modern, and screams special occasion even before you open it. This is not just protective wrapping, it's presentation ready, saving you the hassle of gift wrapping for weddings, engagements, anniversaries, or bridal showers. Once opened, the set reveals two tall and beautifully crafted champagne flutes. The design is immediately striking, minimal yet elegant. One glass is etched with Mr. and the other with Mrs. in a stylish cursive font that adds a touch of romance without going overboard. These aren't cheap vinyl decals that wear off. These are etched details that feel sophisticated and permanent. Now let's talk about form and function. These glasses are crafted from high-quality glass that is both sturdy and refined. They feel balanced in hand, not too heavy, not too delicate, with a tall, classic flute shape that's perfect for capturing the bubbles of your favorite champagne or sparkling wine. The rim is smooth and the stem is proportionate, giving that classic toast-worthy silhouette. The dimensions are ideal for traditional champagne servings, and they're tall enough to look great in wedding photos, a small but important detail. Whether you're holding them during the reception toast or staging them for flat lay shots with wedding rings and flowers, they photograph beautifully. These flutes are not just for show. They're practical enough for real use but also elegant enough to be keepsakes. The glass quality is such that they'll last as treasured mementos of your special day. Many couples choose to display them in a cabinet or shelf at home as a reminder of their vows and celebration. From a gift perspective, this is an absolute win. It works for couples just getting engaged, newlyweds, or even long-married pairs celebrating a milestone anniversary. And because of the neutral design, it suits a wide range of wedding themes, from rustic barn weddings to modern black tie affairs. While the glasses are hand wash recommended, the maintenance is straightforward. If you treat them with care, they'll last for years, becoming a part of future celebrations and traditions. So, to sum it up, the Pearhead Mr. and Mrs. Champagne Flute Set brings together elegance, sentiment, and quality. It's a perfect example of a product that balances style with meaning. Whether you're the one walking down the aisle or you're shopping for a special couple, this set deserves a spot at your celebration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what wedding or party essentials you'd like us to review next. Cheers to love, laughter, and lasting memories.